like this.
Oh
What's going on, everybody? Today we gonna be doing another ride along reaction with somebody who's never even really ridden in a sports car for real. I mean, Porsches and yeah, but nothing torquey. What's going on? What's going on? But everybody, say what's up to Claudine. She gonna be in my ride along today. She's already scared. She don't know what to expect.
I'm not scared. I just feel like.
Oh, you just feel like what?
I
feel,
don't know. I feel like you like to disturb my peace, and my peace is disturbed.
Oh yeah. Nah, don't worry. It's gonna be like the chillest ride you've ever been on. So she's gonna die.
I'm actually stressed out. No, there's no reason for me to be stressed.
No. There's no reason.
No, I'm stressed out.
She should be scared.
Afraid.
I guess you're gonna find out now, aren't you?
I'm scared. Where are we going? Like, I don't like that sound. Like,
What?
I don't like that sound.
Like what sound?
Wait, or is there a reason
What?
that I should be acting this way?
I don't know. Is
It
it?
should be light.
Oh, it's gonna be light.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
So what's the fastest car you've ever been in?
Honestly, maybe that Porsche the other day.
A Porsche? But he didn't go fast.
Not really.
He didn't go fast.
A little
Okay.
bit,
So what's the
but-
fastest car you've been in?
No, I told you about that
That
one
didn't
time,
want
that Charger.
Oh, so a Charger.
Because I was in like a Charger race with like another Charger on the highway. I was just a passenger. But I wasn't super like.
I ain't gonna say nothing.
I'm really good at keeping my cool, but if I just start like you see me, I'm like doing my hair. I'll be fine. Give me a song. I can go acapella right now.
Nice to meet. A song.
Song. I need to sing a song. I don't want to do this no more.
What? Do what?
Just trying to make it to 2023. No, I actually am hot and I can't breathe. So I have to. No, like I actually have to. What the fuck? Do you bust all your rights like that?
It's just loud. It's not. We're not even going fast.
But I feel like it's
go
just
fast, we can go fast.
overstimulating. I don't want to do that yet. I need a second. I need to take my jacket off. How long are we gonna like do this for? I guess
We didn't even start. What do you mean?
I know, but when we do start, like how long? Just so I can anticipate. Like you ever go on a roller coaster, but you're like not sure like when it begins or ends, so your eyes are just closed for like.
Yeah, like this.
Oh my fucking god! I wasn't even ready.
Good.
I wasn't even ready. There were kids over on the side,
Dude, classifies as a jump scare.
just like just catching me off guard. Like I like to know beforehand. Like okay,
I don't know what you're talking about.
we're about to go fast now.
We're about to go fast now.
Right now.
Yeah. Next 10 minutes.
Okay, yeah, I need exact timing.
Like what?
Give me a 10-second countdown. Or 5. But a slow 5.
A slow 5.
Yeah, like 5 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi. You know. 6 me, don't go miss me.
I'll give you 3 seconds.
Like right now.
3, 2, 1.
We're fine. We're fine. I don't like this. Like this is like this is fun. Like you just drive like this for fun. This is a horse.
You know what that's called, right?
No.
That's pretty sure that's the suicide bar.
The suicide bar?
Yeah.
What if I fly out? I got a nose job. I can't fuck up my face. Oh yeah, Dr. Arhan. I got a $100 off code. Put that in there. Link that in there. Link that in there. I'm gonna stay like this. Do you think it's been over 2 miles?
Huh?
Do you think it's been over 2 miles now?
Oh yeah, I lied to you. Going like 10.
10 miles?
Yeah, we're just gonna
Like, where are we going?
Exit 67 and come back.
Okay. Well, you were gonna ask me something.
Huh?
You were gonna ask me something.
Oh yeah. So now that you've officially been in a fast car, do you feel?
I want to go home. Like, I feel like I want to go home. And I feel played. I feel played. I feel lied to. I was told that I was only going to do 2 miles. I don't even remember exit 67, to be honest.
We're at 69 miles. That means we have 2 miles left.
Okay. Now we're at 2 miles. Do you know how long we've been on the road?
Hey, we have 2 miles left. So we turn
2
around.
miles left. I just feel like you like to disturb my peace. I kind of have peace of mind, like I'm still okay. But I also feel like you're just going to finesse me later on in the ride, so I don't feel safe. Can I feel safe now? Are we done?
You know when I'm gonna finesse you.
I do. Like, no.
No.
When you...
Not now, but like now.
No, why would you do that? That's why I don't trust you. And you're a manipulator? You're a manipulator?
I'm a what?
A manipulator.
What?
And a liar?
A what?
You can't even hear me. I don't like that. And I'm sweating. Like I'm getting anxiety sweats. Like do you understand? Like I had to cut out caffeine for like a minute because I'm too like. And I just had a coffee. I'm gonna get one of these.
Corvette or a GoPro?
Corvette.
Oh, you think you can handle it?
Claudine and a Corvette.
You think you can handle it?
Just not with you driving. Like, it says 35. Do you know what we're doing right now?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't. You know what it is when we see trucks?
No.
Pig hit. The whole...
I mean, you could try to hit me. But I don't know if you'll be able to get me.
Like, I was just talking to you.
What?
That was just rude to interrupt my conversation.
No, I'm listening.
You're listening.
But my foot slipped.
Your foot didn't slip.
Yes, it did.
I don't want to drive when someone's foot slips. What shoes are you wearing? See all these cars? I'm gonna just chill out. I know.
All right, we made it back, guys. Not dead, not on the news, but she's never getting in the car again with me. Or, I don't think any fast car. Whoops, sorry for whoever I ruined it for. But I appreciate y'all for watching, and tune in next time. I'm out of here. Peace.